for dogs who wag their tails. E is for elephant.